Good morning, Mr. and everyone. Hi, I'm Marlo and this is Max. We are going to, we are the representative of our group. And we are going to tackle is all about economic report, the population of Philippines. Yeah. So, Max, um, in year 2000, what is the percentage of our population?
In year 2000, the percentage is 2.27%.
And ano, in year 2001, so the population rate is goes down. As you can see in our graph, the population in year 2001 decreases in 1%, 0.1%. In year 2002, is the population of the Philippines increased?
But in year 2002, our population was
Oh, yeah, the population in Philippines decreases in year 2002. But not that much. But, in year 2003 up to 2004, first, first you can see that, the population decreases when, um, si- ano, when 2000 year 2000 up to 2006 or 7, the population decreases. And then, as you can see in year 2008, there's there's an increase in rate of population. Oh, as you can see, from 1.9 something, the population increases in 3 3 3%. Nice. Um, so, Max, in this year 2009, what is the rate of our population?
in year 2009, our rate is 1.957%.
Oh, the population, also in this in year 2009. Oh, so, are we overcrowded in our country? Oh, no, Max cannot explain that. Oh, as we can see, in year 2009, our population increases in by 1% or something. So, that's all. Um, thank you, everyone. Goodbye.